Here we are on Seward Road. We're at Roger's produce stand. Look at his Christmas trees, man. He's got them out here. All different kinds. Big ones, little ones. Come on out and get your Christmas tree. They're cool. Can't remember what they're all called. I know there's like Fraser firs, Douglas firs, probably Scotch pines. That's pretty neat. That's a pretty one. They're trying to keep them brushed off, but I don't know. It's snowing pretty good today. Look at the cool trees. Come to the produce stand and buy a tree from Big Daddy, a.k.a. Uncle Roger. He's got wreaths. Got plenty of trees, that's for sure. I think he even still has some jams out here if you guys need some jams. I don't know what else he's got out here. Definitely a little cool day. Good day to put up a Christmas tree. Come and get it. Go back home where it's nice and warm and decorate it. Come on out and see Big Dave. Captain Dave is what we call him. Out here, the produce stand on Seward Road. It's pretty neat out here today. Good day for a sled ride too. Okay. See you guys till next time.